It's a lovely day, Sullivan. Want to come play outside? Sullivan? What happened here?
I've lost Benji, and I can't find him anywhere.
First thing to do when you've lost something, take a deep breath. Then, when you're calmer, you can retrace your steps. Walk back to everywhere you've been.
I can't remember.
Well, how about we take a moment to have a quick story first? What do you say? A story about when Sullivan sailed to an underground cave.
Benji! Where are you?
I'm right here. Ah, that's better. We'll certainly need a light in these caves. They're dark.
They're amazing!
Well, if we're gonna explore them, you'll need one of these too. We don't want to get lost. Let's go, shipmate.
Do you hear that? Someone else is whistling. Hello? 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 Hello?
It's just an echo. Voices bouncing off the walls of the cave. Ship ahoy! Ship ahoy! Ship ahoy! See? No one around. Just us. I wonder where this leads to. Jumping jellyfish.
Whoa! Someone else has been here.
Not for over 30,000 years.
Huh?
This is Paleolithic cave art, created by humans who lived tens of thousands of years ago.
That's so old.
It certainly is. They used a red clay called ochre to paint animals on the rock.
Ochre. There's a horse. And a deer. And a bull.
Actually, a steppe bison. They're extinct now, like the dinosaurs, but they were alive
Tens of thousands of years ago.
exactly. They left behind some other artwork too.
Handprints. It looks like lots of people waving.
Or maybe the animals are having a dance party and the hands at the end are clapping for them. Imagine art from people who lived so long ago, and we found it.
Maybe we could leave our handprints too. Then people could find them in thousands of years' time.
It's a nice thought, but this art has been here untouched and unchanged for tens of thousands of years, and will hopefully be here for thousands more. Adding anything would just damage it.
Do you think there's any more?
Well, there's only one way to find out. It's all to do with water and rocks. Bits of rock start to rub away as water moves past them. And sometimes, the running water rubs away such a big hole in the rock that it makes a cave.
Look at this, Benji. Benji? Benji, are you there?
Sullivan?
Benji, where are you?
Well, I don't quite know. Where are you?
I don't know either.
So that means we're...
Lost! Lost! Lost!
Don't panic. We just have to both find our way back to the cave art.
It's okay. Take a deep breath.
I'm not sure how yet, but I'll figure something out.
And when you're calmer, retrace your steps. I know what to do, Benji.
You do?
follow our footprints and go back the way we came.
Marvelous mollusks. You're right. I'll meet you there. Ahoy, shipmate!
Benji!
Well, we might not have been able to leave our handprints, but we certainly left our footprints. And you know what us explorers say? Take nothing but pictures and leave nothing but footprints. Now, how about we leave some more and head back to the boat?
Aye, aye, Captain. So if I go back the way I came, I'll find Benji.
Let's try it. What did you do last, right before I came in?
I searched the living room, and before that I ate an apple.
And before that?
I washed my hands. Benji!